They smell like rotten coconut or kitchen cleaner.
A fabulous bird, reborn from the ashes of its earlier life.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my ascendance?
Odorous house ants, or what most people call sugar ants or piss ants, are tiny, but they're persistent, and they become especially active in early spring. Homes in Maryville, Tennessee often see trails of these ants near sinks, counters, and sugary foods. You can identify odorous house ants by their odor when crushed. They smell like rotten coconut or kitchen cleaner. Every spring, homeowners across Maryville and Knoxville in Tennessee begin seeing the same problem: ants, suddenly appearing in kitchens, bathrooms, along the walls. Warmer temperatures signal the start of increased activity as colonies become active again. Ants begin searching for food and water sources, which often leads them straight into the home. If you're seeing ants inside your house this spring, you're not alone. Ant infestations are one of the most common pest problems here in East Tennessee, especially during the spring and the summer. Understanding why ants appear and how to control them early can help prevent a small issue from turning into a major infestation. Now, during the winter, ants slow down and remain mostly hidden in their colonies. But once spring temperatures arrive, colonies begin expanding and sending out worker ants to search for food. This is why many homeowners suddenly start noticing ants around kitchens and sinks and baseboards when it gets warm. Ants are incredibly organized insects, and when a scout ant finds food, it leaves behind a pheromone trail that guides other ants directly to the source inside your home. Within a few hours, a few ants can turn into a full trail moving through your home. This is one of the reasons ant infestations grow so quickly during the spring months. Small, dark ants in the kitchen or pantry, visible trails leading to the food source, and ants clustering near water sources are common things that you'll find when you have odorous house ants infesting your home. Now, how do they get in? Well, cracks in the walls, around doors and windows, plumbing gaps. That's a big one. Exterior wall and siding seams. Once ants find a reliable food or water source inside your home, they'll continue returning and expanding their trails. So what most people do is they go down to Walmart and they get some store-bought spray, which will kill the ants, but it doesn't reach the colony. It won't fix the problem. Professional sugar ant control in Maryville, Tennessee targets both the ants you see and the hidden nest. Many homeowners try store-bought sprays or ant baits when they first notice a problem. And again, while these products will kill the ants that you see, they rarely eliminate the colony. Effective pest control requires more than simply applying chemicals. Never bait for ants inside. Proper pest control focuses on identifying where the ants are coming from and how to treat them effectively rather than simply spraying visible ants. Without addressing the colony itself, ants often return again and again through the spring and the summer. So what can you do to prevent them? Well, you can store food in sealed containers. You can make sure the countertops and the sinks are cleaned regularly. Seal cracks and gaps around your home with silicone or expanding foam. Fix leaks and moisture problems, because they got to have water just like we do. Also, maintain exterior pest protection around your home, even in the winter. These preventative measures can greatly reduce the chances of ants establishing trails inside your home. When ants become established in your home, professional pest control is often the fastest and most effective solution. And Phoenix Pest Control provides pest control services for homeowners throughout Maryville and Knoxville, Tennessee, and some surrounding communities. With more than 25 years experience and the only associate certified entomologist in Blount County, The company focuses not only on eliminating pests, but also helping homeowners understand how to keep them from returning. Professional ant control targets the ants and the colony responsible for the infestation. Ant activity increases every spring in East Tennessee, but early treatment can prevent a small issue from turning into a major infestation. If you're dealing with ants in Maryville or you need reliable ant control in Knoxville, professional pest control can help eliminate the problem and protect your home throughout the season. Call or text Phoenix today to schedule a free inspection and a quote. You want bugs me? Ants. But I love to kill them.
Look at me.
You're killing me, Smalls.
They're dead, alright? Can I go now?
I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.